Hi everyone, I'm Nancy, Pampered with Diamonds, and today we are picking a winner for Nuzzling Wolves. So I'm just popping on here real quick to do this winner. So I quit so I don't get yelled at by you guys. I am feeling better, but I still need to have my tea and stuff. So, but I wanted to get this out there so you guys can get ready to say I want this one for the next video coming up. So I'm going to. Did you see? I'm shuffling them. Okay, here we go. Good luck. I have 5 people. Number 5. Awesome. Okay, number 5 is number 5. Okay, let me change this so you can see. Number 5 is Sue Hicks 404. Sue Hicks, please email me and let me know if you're still interested. So that's number 5, Sue Hicks. Congratulations. Send me an email, pamperedwithdiamonds@gmail.com, and let me know if you're still interested and still willing to pay $15 for shipping. Okay, I will see you guys later. Remember, I am Pampered with Diamonds. I like it a lot. And most importantly, be kind to everyone you meet.